Traditionally, turtle eggs are often consumed as a local delicacy in many parts of India, including that of Kundapura, Karnataka. This initiative, a united cause, focuses on increasing awareness of the roles that turtles play in the ecosystem and also facilitating their breeding by organizing regular beach cleanups and monitoring their safety during breeding season, while also targeting cleaning of marine debris and the many ways in which it can be used to make items of everyday use. A united cause would achieve these goals by arranging regular programs involving locals so as to educate them on the benefits of turtle conservation and the ways in which marine debris negatively affects the environment. These programs would be held in both Kannada and English in order to make them more accessible to everyone in the area. An important aspect of these programs would also involve holding beach cleanups in association with schools in order to imbibe in the students and locals the values of cleanliness and keeping natural environments like the beach clean and safe for humans and other creatures too. This would also make the beaches more conducive for turtle breeding. The kids would then be encouraged to use the waste found on the beaches like plastic and glass bottles to make simple, everyday objects of use like plant holders, pen holders, decorative items, etc., which could then be used at home or kept for sale at the programs held. The programs would include activities and games for kids and talks by people actively working in the field of turtle conservation and sustainable use of marine debris like plastics, and it would also include stalls by children and locals where they could sell the objects made in order to raise money for the cause. Thus, the locals and the students would be invested in the solution every step of the way, which could also then foster community building. Thank you.